Hey, happy Saturday, my friends. It's your boy, your bromie, the Gale, back at it again. This time with a quick AR tutorial video. So I was playing around with my AR vault, and I realized something that I probably should have known, but it was kind of like an epiphany to me. So I just figured I'd make a quick video about it. So I'm going to show you guys that, and then that's going to be the video. So let's do it. So I did a previous tutorial before. I did an AR tutorial, but this is news to me. I didn't know that you could like place them. Well, let me just show you. So we're gonna hit the AR button, and we're gonna scan the area like so, and wait for the red lines, the net to show up. So you're gonna place your vault, and then as you know that you can open it and walk inside. But a lot of people have been curious, how do you place multiple figures outside? So first you got to place your vault, and then you can hit that plus button and you can add whatever you want. I didn't know that. I thought they already had to be placed before you put your vault down. So you just keep tapping, you hit the plus button. Let's get a Batman out here. Ready to go. And then you place them, and then let's see, you can size them up a little bit. There you go. You can move them, size them up, turn them around. So yeah, it's that simple. You just gotta keep tapping the screen and hit that plus button, and you can add whatever you want. So that's kind of news to me. I didn't know that we can do it that easy. So let me move Bubbles here. Double tap on her. Size her up. I don't know how to lift her up in the air, but yeah, that is how you do it. And you can walk right up to them. You can walk around them. So, and then I can move her too. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. All right. So that's the video, my friends. Short and sweet. Hopefully you learned something if you didn't already know it, because I remember having a lot of people ask, how do you get multiple characters in the real world? So that's the only way I know how to do it as of now, until Veve creates an update. And speaking of Veve, we haven't heard anything really since the drop, so I'm expecting maybe some kind of news today or some kind of updates or something this weekend. They usually drop news sporadically. I think it's by design to keep the wheel of information turning. So be on the lookout for either drop news or update news or something, because Veve's been pretty quiet, and it's not like them to be quiet for too long. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy your Saturday. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which may drop today, tomorrow, Monday, who knows. So peace out and hodl until then. Later.